Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to share Instagram post to your Instagram story. That is so simple and easy, so let's begin. And first open up Instagram and let's find some post that we want to share to our story. And once I found that post, I need to tap there on this small airplane icon to bring up that menu, and there on the first place there is an option add post to your story. Just get into it, and now I can continue creating my story as I normally would. I can add here some stickers, I can change the size of the post, I can rotate it, change this post's position and so on. But there is one more thing that you wanna know, is when that account is private. See what happened if I tap there on that icon. I'm not able to share this post to my story, and there is a notice that that account is private, and the people below that notice may not be able to see this post unless they are follow that account from which I want to share the post. So that's how it works. Make sure you like this video if it was helpful for you, and see you next time.